Two new AI flagships just went head to head. Anthropic dropped Claude Opus 5 on July 24th, and OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Soul has been live since early July. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down fast. Coding. First up, coding. On Frontier Bench, which tests real agentic coding, reading code, planning, editing, running tests, Opus 5 posts 43.3% against GPT 5.6 Soul's 34.4%. That is a 9-point gap. And it is not close on SWE Bench Pro either. Opus 5 scores 79.2 versus Soul's 64.6%. If you are coding, Opus 5 is currently the stronger pick. Reasoning. Next, reasoning. This is where the gap gets wild. On ARC AGI 3, a benchmark specifically designed to resist memorization, Opus 5 scores 30.2% compared to Soul's 7.8%. That is roughly 3 times better. For knowledge work tested on GDP-Val, Opus 5 leads 1,861 to 1,736 ELO, but GPT 5.6 does head back somewhere. It holds a clear edge in knowledge benchmarks, averaging 94.6 versus Opus 5's 64.7, largely driven by hallucination rate scoring. Pricing. Both models charge the same for input, $5 per million tokens, but for output, GPT 5.6 Soul charges $30 per million, making Opus 5 the cheaper flagship by $5 per million on output heavy work. GPT 5.6 does offer more flexibility though. It ships in 3 tiers, Soul as the flagship, Terra as balanced, and Luna as the fast, cheap option. Context and ecosystem. Context window matters too. Opus 5 supports up to 1 million tokens, making it stronger for long documents and persistent agent workflows. GPT 5.6 fights back on ecosystem. It's the better pick if you are already built on OpenAI tooling, need native multimodal generation, or want lower latency for short completions. The caveat. One honest note, this is based on vendor-published and third-party benchmarks, less than 48 hours after Opus 5's launch. Independent, large-scale testing is still catching up, so treat these numbers as directional, not final. Verdict. So the bottom line for coding, reasoning, and cost per output, Claude Opus 5 wins on paper right now. For ecosystem lock-in, multimodal tasks, or raw knowledge recall, GPT 5.6 Soul still holds ground. Which one are you actually using? Drop it down in the comments. And if this helped, hit the subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and do not forget the like. Thanks for watching and goodbye.